Here we are again at the Mad Dragon Cars Coffee Meet, and as you can see the turnout has been absolutely amazing. Thank you for Glenn at MADLife and also Japanese Cars of Hampshire and SSC for coming along and giving us our support, and also LLP, they've been here and showing support and love as well. And let's just show you around. Let's have a look at all the cars here, and as you can see it's a right mixture of cars.
Either of them are. We're going to go over in the corner.
Watch out, Joe. There's cars behind.
Yeah,
You'll be arrested yet.
And as you can see, it is crazy busy, and it's a, like I mentioned before, it's a complete mixture of cars here, even motorbikes,